You are planning a perfect dinner party in your backyard, lights, setup, everything imagined beautifully. But before you even start, you notice ants crawling all around the space. Frustrating, right? It's enough to make you rethink the venue altogether. So today, let's fix that problem. Here's how to get rid of ants outside your house with quick, natural, and time-tested tricks that actually work. Before we start, let's look at where ants usually hide outside your house. You'll often find them under garden pots, near water drains, under stones, around fence corners, and even between patio tiles. If you spot small soil mounds or fine sand trails near these areas, that's a clear sign of a nest nearby.
Now let's start with what works instantly. If you see ants marching across your garden path, follow their trail, it'll lead straight to their nest. Pour boiling water into visible holes, that's the fastest natural way to eliminate surface colonies. Next, mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spritz along their trails or wall edges. You can also sprinkle cinnamon powder or coffee grounds around the same spots. Ants absolutely hate strong smells. Also, keep in mind, ants crawling on outer walls, especially carpenter ants, can slowly tunnel into damp wood or widen cracks, which over time may weaken parts of your home. That's why preventing them outside is just as important as treating the garden.
Now that you've handled the surface ants, let's deal with where they come from. Ants build nests in cracks, under stones, and near moist soil. Mark these spots and apply natural remedies directly there. It's better to treat the nest than the trail.
Ants are scavengers, they return where they find food or water. Keep your outdoor area clean. Seal garbage bins, fix leaky taps, and avoid leaving pet food or fruit scraps in the open air. Even small sugary drops attract hundreds of ants. Once you've cleaned up, block their entry routes. Draw a thin line of chalk, baby powder, or diatomaceous earth around your garden edges. You can also spray neem oil along walls and fences. It's natural, long-lasting, and keeps both ants and other pests away.
Did you know ancient farmers also battled ants and won using all natural tricks? Indian farmers sprinkled wood ash or turmeric around crops to block ants. They also used neem and mint leaves near garden beds to drive them away. In Greece and Rome, a mix of olive oil waste and salt, called amerca, was used to protect fields.
Here's a beautiful secret: some flowers do a lot more than just look pretty. Plants like lavender, marigold, chrysanthemum, and citronella geranium not only fill your garden with color and fragrance but also keep ants away with their strong natural oils and scents. Plant them along borders, near patios, or between vegetable beds. Each bloom adds charm while creating a natural barrier against ants. A garden that looks great and stays pest-free, now that's real flower power.
With the help of these flowering plants, maintaining your garden will get much easier. But still, don't forget to keep an eye every few days. Ants are quick to return if left unchecked. Reapply your vinegar spray or chalk line weekly, and your garden will stay as fresh, bright, and ant-free as ever. If you find flying ants or deep soil tunnels near walls, it's best to call pest experts. They can locate hidden colonies and treat them safely without harming your plants. So now you know how to get rid of ants outside your house, with fast fixes, natural barriers, and even ancient wisdom. Keep your outdoors clean, treat the source, and enjoy an ant-free space every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home smart tips.